Hi, welcome to Interview.com. I'm going to share with you 6 years experience core Java interview questions, which will be very useful for you to refer. It's not the exact question, but a reference for you to start preparing. Okay, does polymorphism applicable for static methods? Okay, if you see this example, one point you should remember: the polymorphism concept will not be applicable for static methods. Polymorphism will be applicable only for objects. Okay, since statics are at the class level, it will not be applicable in the sense it can't override. Static methods cannot be overridden. Okay, what is the difference between comparable and comparator? Okay, how hash map works? The interviewer might be asking you to write a simple code to write the hash map. Okay, if you are looking for a job opportunity, please upload your resume in our website. We have opportunities in top MNCs. Fifth question: can we catch the runtime exception? Yes, you can catch, but it's not recommended. What is inner class and anonymous inner class? Okay, they might give you an example, say thread example, which has a static synchronized method, and a normal method. How the threads will be behaving? A thread will obtain lock at the class level for the synchronized method. A thread will obtain lock at the object level, and any thread can access this method because it's not synchronized. Okay, write a program to sort an array of integers. Okay, or it might be different programming, but it will be very small. For example, say a Fibonacci series, or um, reverse a string, something like that. What is the difference between hash table and hash map? What is the difference between string builder and string buffer? What is the difference between collection and collections? Okay, this code, will it compile? It will not compile because this in Gentrix does not support it. Okay, you should specifically tell that. If you are looking for a job opportunity, please upload your resume for the right job in our job portal, because we have openings in top MNCs. We will take care of forwarding your resume based on your skill set. So you can submit your resume in our job portal. For more Java interview questions and interview tips and resume building tips, please log on to Indeed.com. It is next generation job site. Thank you for watching this video and all the best for interview. Thank you.